The objective of the final pack position is to band and/or wrap boxes of product and transport the wrapped product to the shipping area. The equipment used is a roller conveyor with one conveyor on wheels, a forklift truck, and a wrapping machine. The tools used include a feeder stick, a box knife, a taper, and a marker. The materials used include boxes of product weighing 40 to 60 pounds, clips, coils of metal banding material, L-blocks, also called corner pieces, a low-profile plastic skid, plastic wrap, and a spool of plastic wrap for hand wrapping. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and no air conditioning. The personal protective equipment included safety glasses and hearing protection that is available but not required. It is important to note that headphones cannot be worn while operating the forklift truck. The height of the worker observed was 5 feet 10 inches. The work tasks for the final pack begin by transferring the boxes to a pallet, low-profile skid, or wrapping machine. Boxes are carried, pushed, or pulled into position on the pallet or wrapping machine. Here the work task can follow one of two paths. For product on pallets that require bands, workers will start by getting the feeder stick and L-blocks. Then they will position the L-blocks on the product, slide the feeder stick under the pallet, position the banding material, attach the clip to the banding material, pull the banding material tight, cut the banding material with a box knife, and repeat this process if additional bands are needed. Then they will position the label on the product. The second path, for products at a wrapping station, begins by getting the plastic wrap, and next the worker will secure the plastic wrap to the green bands on the box. Then they will start the wrapping machine. When the wrapping is complete, the worker tucks the end of the plastic wrap into a strap. Next they will use a marker to label the box, and push and pull the stack of boxes if needed. If needed, the boxes are taped together and a low-profile or plastic skid is used. Finally, the worker will position the low-profile skid on the conveyor. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the final pack job. Repeated and sustained exertions included a medium-high pace with hands in constant steady and rapid steady motion, and exertion to pack boxes. Hands were briefly idle when walking to the next boxes to be packed. Sustained exertions included continuous standing. Forceful exertions were required to carry, position, lift, push, and pull boxes of product, low-profile skids, and pallets. Forceful exertions were also used to pull banding material until it is tight and to cut the banding material. Awkward postures included squatting to feed the band through the pallet slats, torso flexion, and extended arms to position and secure bands and to send the feeder stick underneath low-profile skids. Kneeling and elevated arms to write on boxes, neck twisting to operate the forklift truck, torso flexion and twisting to push and pull boxes, and finally squatting, torso flexion, and extended arms to secure the plastic wrap to the box. The mechanical or localized contact stress included contact stress between the knees and the floor, and contact stress between the hands and the edges of the banding material, plastic straps, boxes, and tools. The recommendations for final pack include investigate mechanical tools to secure the band to decrease forceful exertions. Push boxes of product instead of pulling the product to decrease forceful exertions and contact stress. Consider using gloves to decrease contact stress between the hands and the plastic and metal bands. Consider using a kneeling pad or wearing knee pads that are integrated with pants to decrease localized contact stress between the knees and the floor. Finally, investigate lift assist devices to move boxes of product to decrease forceful exertions and awkward postures.